Carter of Carter's Barbecue, and today I myself have a special for me. The family gets to overflow, but today I'm going to cook my first Wagyu steak, and it's from Snake River Farms, and it's a 3-pound cowboy steak. So let me get the grill ready and we'll prep the steak. All right, guys, I'm not doing much to this. This is my first Wagyu. I ain't trying to mess it up. So all I'm going to do is some coarse salt and pepper, some coarse pepper, and then I have some salt here. Got a little bit of garlic, and I'm just going to put a tad of oil for a binder. So that's it. That's all I'm doing. So here we go. Let's cover this up some. Of course, I want to get all the sides as well. And it's pretty thick, so I'm gonna go just a little heavier than I would with any other steak. Go on the side here. And I love this kosher salt and pepper mix. It makes my briskets very good. And this is just a simple SPG. We use this on a lot of our meats, just some simple SPG. All right, this is huge. My wife came home one day, came downstairs, and she was like, "Can you help me with something?" Sure, I'll come downstairs helping you with something. And I'm like, what now? I see this nice big black box with it, you know, SRV on it, Snake River Farms, and I open it up and I get this. So, I mean, you can just guess how I felt about it, right? All right. Put a little garlic on here. Just a tad to give it that extra little taste. Now, how am I doing this, you're gonna ask? I want to do this on the pit barrel. I'm going to reverse sear it. So meaning I'm going to just put it on the grill grate there, and I'm going to get it to a temperature internal about 120, maybe 125. I mean, this is a big, I don't know what I'm doing. And take it off, let it rest, and then I'm going to sear it till I get to that 130, 135 inside. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to get out there on the grill, make sure that it's lit, let it set for a while to get up to temp, and then when I get back to you, we'll put this thing on the grate, on the pit barrel. Okay, I done fired up the pit barrel. Got my coals in there, you probably can't see, and I also have some apple cherry chunks in there. So we're gonna go with that. All right, let's get this massive piece of meat in here. All right. And going to put this, there we go. Yeah, all right, we know that. So I have this set to about 120. So once it starts ringing at 120, we'll be good to go. All right, I'll check you all out a little bit later. All right, ThermoWorks smoke went off, and let's check and see how we are here. That looks beautiful. And we got about 119, 119, 125. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take her off. As you can see, since I've taken off the cover for the pit barrel, it's already starting to flame up. So we're going to take her off and rest her. All right. So we're gonna let this get hot. Actually, I'm gonna take these rods out. Take my thing and let her get hot and smoky. And I'll put her on for, put this up here so it can continue to flame up. Wait about 2 or 3 minutes so they get up to temp, and then I will put it on for the sear. All right, here we go. We have the cowboy steak, which is amazing. Now, as you saw, I did this caveman style on the pit barrel. I don't always recommend that, but I've done it a few times, so I'm kind of used to my flames or whatever. But let's, wait, let's cut into this and let's see if I did not butcher this, okay? Let's see. All right. Here is.
The baby's right here.
Okay. Now that looks good. Hopefully this focuses. Teresa, this is good. Okay, I'm about to make this video over because I'm about to eat a lot of this. Has a great crust from just a simple salt and pepper and the sear. But the inside, you know, some parts obviously are darker than others, depending on their thickness. But oh my God, this is pure decadence. And I'm eating and talking to you, and I'm sorry, not sorry. Okay, it's dinner time. And there you have it. That is my first ever Wagyu steak, and I hope this is the first of many to come. Oh my God, that thing, like I said earlier, it was just crazy decadent, moist. Even though I had that hard cover with salt and pepper, the taste on the inside without the crust was just amazing. So I gotta figure out how I gotta get some more. So I hope you enjoyed this little cook with me. It's the first time you got to see my first time doing something. Go get you some yourself. If you like this content that I'm putting out, please like and subscribe here on my Facebook channel, and or find me on the YouTube channel. Yeah. And then find me on Facebook, Carter's Barbecue. Find me on Instagram, Carter's Barbecue 216. All that stuff is down there. And like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And until the next time we throw something on the grill, I'll talk to you guys later.